Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, November the 30th, 2023. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 0 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. 4 of them I will solve 4 out of 7. Not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. First one, 3 stars. 3 stars. Sudoku. Number 7537. 5, 3, 7. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. I have not done this. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Wait. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and if I have a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, but it has 4 digits more than 25. Should be a 0 stars puzzle, and for 0 stars I need to be faster than 15, no, 14 or 30 minutes. Alright, we'll see. So let's get started. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. Then 4, 8, 9. 8, 8. Well, 8 and 9, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, and need an 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and 6 is missing, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 5 goes there. Alright. Yeah. Okay. How about 8? Need a 6 here. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. 8, 8. Need an 8 there, okay. Come on, come on, come on. Need a one here. One in the first row, one in the third row. So the row between second row, only two places left. One left for the one should be here or there. We have a one in this column, no one there. One should be there. Four missing numbers now in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have 8 and 7 in the third row, so no 8 and 7 in these two boxes. 8 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, so two numbers left. In this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So one digit left in the third row. For number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. So we have an 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, so two numbers left. In the first row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 6, 6. Yeah, 4. Alright. And now 6, 6. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 there. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 8 here. Yes. Alright. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only two places left for the 8 should be here. On there we have an 8 in this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here can be 4. Well. 7. No 2 here. No 2 here. No 2 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. 9. Put the 7 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 1. Shoot there. 1, 1. So these 3 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. So one digit left in this last row for number 2. Alright. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. Only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And we have a pair, the 7 and the 5 in this row, the 7 and 5 in the middle row, so the row below. Only two places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. And one pair left in this row for numbers. No. 4 and a 6. We already have a 6 here in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 4 goes in there. Alright, so the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9 and the 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah, I need a 2 in this row. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. So these 2 should be 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 and the 4, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 in the 4, 2 in the 4. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes, and there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, so we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. A 1 box left in the first column for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet, let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. Then we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 9, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, and now the 6 in this column, the 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, only place left for the 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, should be a 0 stars, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. Yeah, we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.